Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a simple, easy and tasty Christmas cake balls. To make these Christmas cake balls, I have taken 2 slices of Christmas cake. If you have some leftover Christmas cakes, then you can make these cake balls out of it and it will be very tasty. I have already posted an ice cream recipe made with leftover fruit cake. This is another leftover Christmas cake recipe that you can make at home. So to make this Christmas cake balls, I have taken 2 slices of Christmas cake. This, when you crumble it, it will come up to 2 cups of fruit cake. Then take about 100 grams of dark chocolate in a bowl, chop it into little pieces, and I'm going to microwave it at 10 to 15 seconds break and melt it nicely. If you don't want to use the microwave, you can use a double boiler also. Melt the chocolate and set it aside. Then take a mixie jar and transfer all the crumbled cake into the mixie jar. Once you've transferred the crumbled Christmas cake into the mixie jar, take the melted chocolate and add about 1 tablespoon of the melted chocolate to the cake. Along with this melted chocolate, add 1 tablespoon of grape juice. Instead of this grape juice, you can use any other fruit juice like apple juice or orange juice, or you can even use any alcohol like rum, wine or brandy. Now close the mixie jar and pulse this cake nicely till it's well combined. This is how it looks after it's been combined. Now transfer this mixture onto a plate. At this stage the mixture will be a little loose, so refrigerate this mixture for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the mixture from the fridge and now you can see that it's nice and firm. So now you can start making the cake balls. Take a little bit of the mixture and roll it between the palm of your hand. Make it into a smooth ball like this and place it separately. Do the same with the remaining mixture. So once this is done, we can start coating this mixture with the chocolate. As you can see, the chocolate has hardened by now. So just put it in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds and it will melt easily again. So this is after 10 seconds, the chocolate has melted again. Take the Christmas cake balls and drop it in the melted chocolate and coat the cake balls with this melted chocolate nicely. Make sure it's coated all around. When the cake balls are coated nicely with this chocolate, remove it and place it onto a plate. Put a baking paper or a parchment paper on the plate and then place these chocolate balls, or if you're placing it directly on a plate, make sure you grease the plate well before you place it on it. Finally, decorate these cake balls by sprinkling some sprinkles or these chocolate semia on top. This dark chocolate will set within 10 to 15 minutes and then you can serve the Christmas cake balls. Like I mentioned earlier, make sure you place these cake balls on a parchment paper or a butter paper, otherwise it'll stick to your plate like this and then it'll be difficult to remove it. So this is it, a very easy and simple yet tasty Christmas cake balls are done. Since the fruit cake already has a lot of spices and nuts and dry fruits in it, these cake balls will be very tasty. Every year after Christmas, if I have some leftover Christmas cake, then I make these recipes. I either make the ice cream or I make these cake balls, or I make a fudge also, which I'll post a little later. Do try it out. Until next time, bye bye.